Welcome back to Country Cow Designs. I'm Jo and this is the October 2025 update. So last month for our pattern challenge we did the Rosy Wallet by Cereal Bag Makers, but this month we are doing the Take Note pouch. So this is a really simple pouch. It's by Woodland Stitches, and what's even better is that it's a free pattern. She has a really unique way of fitting the top zip, so I think you're going to really like it. So this is the pattern challenge for the month. If you want to share your progress, you can join the Facebook group, which is Sewing with Country Cow Designs. Everybody's going to share their top tips and share their bags. My top tip, I think I'd actually do my zip panel a little bit smaller so that it's easier to sew past the zip. That would be what I do. That's the only thing I'd change if I did it again. But this is a really quick pattern to make, so make sure that you join us. And if you haven't heard of our pattern challenge, we do a different challenge every month. Different pattern by a different designer every month. So you can find out more on our website or just go ahead and join our Facebook group. So what else have we got going on? Well, we've got Bag of the Month Club on the 1st of October. So if you're a member of Bag of the Month Club, go and check out our advanced pattern that is coming out. It's exclusive to Bag of the Month Club and it is definitely an advanced pattern. It's really fun to make, but it's a big bag, so it's a lot of pieces. So that is a really good one. And if you've not heard of Bag of the Month Club, again, I'll link it below. Definitely worth checking it out and joining if you can. Other news, we've got a new pattern coming out 1st of November for our open day. So this is going to be exclusive for our open day. This is the bottle sling. So you can fit a really large bottle in here. And then you've got your standard sling section for your necessities. So really it's designed for like hiking, because we've got some family members who really wanted something for hiking. And the pattern also includes instructions for making it smaller. So we've made it quite big, and then you can adjust it and print it for different sizes. Some of our pattern testers have done like 100%, 90%, 80% for all their family members. It's really cool. So I will show you more of that in the coming months. In the shop, we have got a massive open day happening on the 1st of November. We are down in Cornwall in the UK if you want to join us. We're also having like a whole crafty weekend. So it's really cool. Loads of businesses in the local area are doing craft workshops for things like pottery, bag making, chocolate making, macrame, floristry. So if you want to come visit us, 1st of November is the weekend to come. And there's loads more information on our website about our big crafty weekend that we're having. So go ahead and check that out. And there's links for booking for everything. We have loads of bag making little demos and things like that as well. There's just so much going on, and there'll be loads of exclusive products. So in the meantime, we have got some new printed patterns for you guys. So the Conan is one of the old most popular patterns. So we finally got that printed, because a lot of you like the printed patterns better than digital. We've also got 3/4 inch silver swivel hooks. This is our most asked for product. So to join all of the other colors, because we're slowly stocking up on the silver hardware. We've also got silver rivet backed magnetic snaps. Those are new to the shop. And I can't remember if I showed these last month. I don't think so. We've got pin buckles in all 4 colors. So brush brass, brush copper, brush silver and matte black. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys use these for, and I've got a pattern in the works that involves these. We also have some new colours of double fold bias binding, because we keep getting requests for these. So we've got some new colours. These aren't all of them, but just some of the bright ones. And we've got some new colours of wide elastic, because we get a lot of requests for that. So in some of our patterns, we use these for like the drink bottles holders, because they're nice and stretchy. They're so easy to use for a drinks bottle holder. So those are in stock on the website too. So other new hardware, we have got 38mm D-rings in all 4 colors. That again is something that we've been asked for a lot. So hopefully you guys are going to be happy to see those. And if you are joining us for the pattern challenge this month, we have kits. So this is one of the kits, and the kits are really affordable on this because it doesn't take a lot of parts. And this is the other kit design. So it's got a plaid and a plain and black zip. So the kits include like everything that you need. You just need to add thread and your sewing machine and you are good to go. We've got some exciting new fabric that's coming just for the open day. So if you do come to visit us, there's going to be some exclusive printed fabrics. And any day now, within the next week or so, we are going to have a massive delivery of our Mora faux leather, restocking 4 of our old colours, our most popular colours. That's Amaranth, Ocean Blue, Sage Green, and Midnight Plum. So those should be any day now, first week of October. And we also have a wax canvas restock for those of you who are waiting as well, and that will be coming toward the end of October. So loads going on this month. So if you have any questions about our products, just let us know in the comments below, because we will be doing another shop tour video soon, probably just before the open day, to kind of show you guys what's going on in our shop and some of the products that we have on offer, and answer any questions that anybody has. So yeah, let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining for this update. Make sure that you join us for the pattern challenge in the Facebook group. We'll see you there. Bye.